raining a bit, but I don't mind. You may be wondering how I can do all this hiking, going uphill, downhill, uphill, downhill. The answer is simple. I've got those bad boys in my ears and a very good set of playlists. Does anyone know what kind of trees they are? They look very cool. Very cool. Good morning, ladies. Good morning. How are we doing today? Oh, good? All good in the hood? I'm glad you're good. You have such a lovely house over there. Lucky you. If I had some bread, I would give it to you, but I can maybe give you some green stuff. I'm rubbish at throwing. Sorry. Wow. That is something. Definitely something. I had no regrets, but now I do. A little bit. That I've picked my shorts. Bloody hell. Bloody Google map in it. How am I supposed to do that? Bloody hell. This is fuck! Bollocks. Used to be one piece, but it had a hard life. Lunchtime. I found this rock right here next to this little one, and I'm not 100% certain because I'm not a biologist or the person that does rocks, but this looks like a meteor, and the way it's in the ground, it looks like it's dropped from sky. It's quite heavy. I don't have the magnets to check if it's magnetic or not, but this one also looked a little bit different. And there's no way they could have dropped from anywhere here because it's nothing up here. It must drop from the sky. Fascinating. Don't know what they are, those things, but they smell so nice, like a pine tree. This area smells so good. So good. Wow. It's don't know where is it? There's a lot of them, but yeah, like that, and they smell amazing. Like fruity, piney. I'm like 90% certain this is a meteor as well, because of the shape of it, and it's quite heavy, very heavy, and filthy. Got back from the waterfall. I couldn't fly my drone over there, so I'm gonna have to start over here somewhere because there's no GPS. Fun fact, there's a lot of lizards, and when lizards are scared, they lose their tail. This is like a defense mechanism, so the predator will get interested in their tail instead of them, and they can grow the tail back. So yeah, that's what it is. That's a lizard's tail. Fun fact to Damien. Thank you. So I'm walking around in this place with my earphones in my ears, and I'm listening to some music, so I cannot hear anything. And I'm wondering whether there are any wild animals, like, I don't know, pumas, or I don't know, any wild cats, because this is like that kind of a terrain that they might like. so if you see a news that the Polish man was attacked by, I don't know, wild cat, it probably was me. I feel like Indiana Jones in the jungle. It's not that bad now. It's a bit slippery and wet, but not bad. I think I've spoken too early. What the bloody hell was... What is this? Okay. Hello. Yeah, I know the feeling. But the views and the waterfall. Cuts, I've got bruises, I've got some weird creatures crawling on my body, but look at this. It was worth it, definitely. from today. From today we can learn that we not always should trust Google Maps ×2 today. The waterfall is somewhere over there and I cannot get there. So luckily I have a drone. My drone will go there. And to get to the waterfall, I should climb that hill and go from the top, which I'm not gonna do because that's like 2 hours together. So change of plans. I can hear some waterfall, but to my destination I still got about 2 kilometers, so I don't know what's happening. I just hope that this road isn't gonna end with a cliff, because I don't feel like going back the same route. It's a bit dodgy. I hope this isn't gonna fall on my back. Oh fuck.